Hello everyone. Today we are making tandoori chicken, which is a popular Indian dish where marinated chicken is grilled to perfection in a tandoor, a cylindrical clay oven. As a first step, chicken is marinated overnight with various spices, herbs and yogurt. Marination process involves 1 tablespoon of turmeric, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of kasuri methi, 1 spoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 spoon of lemon juice with a tablespoon of salt in it, and mix those lemon juice salt into the spice powder, and 1 tablespoon of hung curd or Greek curd, and 1 tablespoon of corn flour and a salt for taste. Mix all the ingredients well. Last, pour 1 tablespoon of oil as well. Mix well and taste the marinade. Add any ingredient needed to suit your taste like salt and chili powder. The marinade has to be thick and not runny, otherwise it will stick up to the pan. Chicken will let out lot of moisture and juices while grilling if the marinade is runny. Make sure the chicken has no dripping water. If needed, wipe dry with a kitchen tissue. Next, make deep gashes to the chicken. Marinate it well so that the masala reaches deep inside. The marinade will tenderize the chicken, so make sure you do it properly. Cover and refrigerate for at least 6 hours to overnight. Do not reduce the time as the chicken will not get cooked and turn tender. You can keep this as long as 48 hours in the refrigerator. Air fryer tandoori chicken. Preheat the air fryer to 390 degrees for about 2 minutes and then place the chicken on the basket and air fryer for 12 minutes on each side on 340 degrees Fahrenheit. Once done, brush the tandoori chicken with the leftover marinade on the red chili paste mixed with oil. Air fryer for another 12 minutes on the other side. For the authentic flavors, brush with mustard oil or with butter. Heat the other side at 340 degrees Fahrenheit for about 12 minutes. Grilling in oven, preheat the oven to the highest for at least 15 to 20 minutes, like 470 Fahrenheit or 240 degrees Celsius. Place a wired rack over a baking tray and then place the prepared chicken over the wired rack. Grill it for 15 minutes. For a spicy version, mix together red chili powder with oil and baste the chicken on both sides. You can also baste the leftover marinade over the chicken. Grill the chicken again for another 6 to 10 minutes until fully cooked through. Adjust the timing as needed depending on the size of your chicken pieces. The last 5 minutes set the oven to broil mode or move the rack to the topmost level and grill until charred. Grill in outdoor. Preheat the outdoor grill for medium-high heat. Grease the grid generously with oil. Wipe off the excess marinade from the chicken and place them over the preheated grill. Cook for 5 to 6 minutes and turn them to the other side. Baste the marinade on the top side and turn it again for about 5 to 6 minutes. The cook time depends on the size of your chicken pieces. It takes about 27 to 30 minutes to cook the tandoori chicken fully. Insert a meat thermometer in the thickest part of the chicken and cook until it shows 165 Fahrenheit or 75 degrees Celsius.